Hello everyone, I'm David Wright and today we're unboxing a brand new addition to the A series for 2021, the awesome Galaxy A52 5G. Now, the A series has got something for everyone and the A52 5G is no exception. Now, this phone brings awesome to everyone. I'm excited and so you guys must be as well, so let's go and have a look at this handset. And here it is, the A52 5G at the top right here. Now, this handset looks really trendy and smart. Well-positioned camera array at the back, but more about that later. The A52 5G has got a 6.5-inch Infinity O display. Great for watching YouTube Premium and having a look at those little pet rescue videos. Now, the back of it itself also has a great kind of textured haze finish, which is awesome because it's got an anti-fingerprint coating on there, so you got no fingerprints when you're actually holding the phone. It's great for really holding in the hand, and it's definitely skinny jeans friendly. Now, it's got a great punch hole, which is positioned top center of the screen, which is really tiny, so you've got minimal interruption to your viewing. On the side of the actual device itself, it's got a volume rocker right there. Below that, it's got a lovely little power button, which is multitasking. When we rock down to the bottom, we've got a 3.5mm jack port and we've got a Type-C charging port. More about that in just a moment. But also we've got a speaker vent for actually putting out that sound. So good people, we want to find out what else is in the box. So I'm going to set this beauty aside. Now, what else is in the box? You get a Type-C to C charging cable. You also get a starter guide and you get a SIM pin for popping your brand new SIM in. This one comes equipped with a 15-watt charging plug, but is able to take a 25-watt fast charging plug right there. So it's a great piece when you're looking at charging. Now, with your A series, this is the first A series device to have 120 Hz refresh rate on the screen. So this means that you can actually get all your 4K content from your favorite streaming service like Netflix, all on screen, perfect crystal clear clarity. Now, we're lucky enough to actually have all the colors available for this brand new A52 5G. Here they are. So we've got our white, we've got our blue, we've got our black, and we've got our violet. White is a great color because that's our hero color. Now, let's get on to the awesome cameras. The camera selection is epic with this brand new handset. We have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, so you can take pictures like you remember it. We've got a 64 megapixel camera, and that's the main one for the everyday epic shot. Then we've got a 5 megapixel depth camera to kind of blur out the background, but keep you the focal point of the shot. We've also got a 5 megapixel camera, which is for looking after macros. So all those close-up nature shots, so you can get those lovely flowers or zoom in on that little robin in the tree. The A52 5G main camera is the first A series with an OIS option here. So that's the optical image stabilization. So there's no more blurry shots with a shaky hand. This is really spot on and supports every bit of that shot in a steady motion. Now, when we're looking at camera modes, bright night is for those people that need the great low light shots. You've got single take to get all the content for your TikToks. We've got pro video mode for those sharp content creators, and we've got 4K video snap for those sharp picture takers. When we're looking at performance of 5G, look no further than the Galaxy A52 5G. Performance is extremely well balanced with a massive 4,500 milliamp battery. This is great when you really need power. Talking about power, you've got power saving mode to get you across the line at the end of the day. When you're watching YouTube and checking your WhatsApps, like I do, you need great multitasking and storage capabilities. So the A52 5G has great 6 gig of RAM and 128 gigs of internal memory and is expandable up to 1 terabyte. Not to mention, you got your OneDrive cloud storage option also. Let's not leave that out. The A52 5G's data performance is incredible. It's got a Snapdragon 750G 5G processor. That's great for when you're actually doing your Google calls or your Teams calls, or for gaming. Great speed for cloud gaming. Now, speaking about speakers, Top and bottom of the phone, we've got speakers right there, and they are tuned by AKG, so you get crystal clear sound, and it's got Dolby Atmos support, which is great, without having a 3.5mm jack. So you can therefore put on your Spotify, turn up the volume, and enjoy your music or your box set. You got security covered with Samsung Knox. You got your on-screen fingerprint, but also if you're out and about and you need to pay for something, you got Samsung Pay, which is fantastic. Now, when you're looking at all of this in this particular phone, the A52 5G is absolutely incredible, and you can use it anywhere because it's IP67, so you can use it out in the rain and not have to worry. Now, guys, here it is, the A52 5G unboxed just for you. What a phone. Wow.